gon' burn it down, burn it down, burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Superfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without.
Halluci, a brand which is true to both quality and elegance, endeavor to provide customers the coziest slippers used at home, in spas, hotels, on planes and trains. The elegant design of the Halluci Cross Band Slippers also makes a great choice in pushing fashion one step forward in the latest slipper shoe craze, gracing the fashion runways and city streets across country. You won't be called a slouch for strutting the latest trend with these chic babies, as the dynamic duo appear more shoe than slipper and will cause people to do a double take. Want to keep up to date on the latest shoe trends and bless your feet with the latest footwear fashion trends? Then smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel. This here is for my superhero, Katie Lynn. You requested and I delivered. The fleece-styled Halluci Cross Band Slippers for both indoors and outdoors elegance, featuring a super soft plush fleece fabric outer and upper and an ethylene vinyl acetate sole, cross band design, solid high density memory foam insole, quality WATEVA waterproof and anti-slip sole. The chic slip-on cutie offers stylish versatility for inside to outside transition at all hours of the day. The Halluci Crossband Slippers here in a size medium from Amazon.com for only $20.39 excluding tax and shipping. Comes in a variety of colors ranging from beige, beige gray, beige camel, beige pink, brown, camel, gray, pink, burgundy, cream leopard, and dark green, and in sizes small to extra large, ranging in price from $20.39 to $23.99. Again, excluding tax and shipping. Don't let the low price of these slippers scare you away, as there's a lot you get from this slipper for the price. A cozy and elegant premium grade fleece, supportively constructed memory foam for both short inside or long outside endurance during wear, solid EVA sole material for protection against floor scratches, and surprisingly a fixed sole shape that provides good support for your feet in every which direction, and that also prevents deform. It's a lot for a not so simple slipper, and me liking for myself, and even for gift giving to family and friends, as these darlings can be paired with everything from a pair of slacks to shorts to a bathrobe and pajamas. Now, how many shoes you know can pull that off stylishly and not come off looking crazy or more like lazy while doing it? That's right, they're Superfly. I can't lie, super duper comfy and cute with really fun colors. Just a fun slipper. A do buy, my dear superheroes. My only recommendation is to be careful in picking your color if desiring the most versatility of wear inside and out, as some of the colors come off simply more slipper-esque, and I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad. While other colors offer the look of both a slipper and a shoe, which I myself prefer. I also must warn you that based on the mixed reviews that I've read, there seems to be some negativity on the quality of the slippers. I have no complaints as of yet, but I'm also not expecting miracles here with the fleece slipper for $20.39, really. One of the complaints was that the fur easily comes off, the fleece fur comes off, and the slippers fall apart within a month. I would feel a certain kind of way typically, but otherwise, again, for the price and them being slippers, I know how to handle with care, especially if wearing both inside the home and out. So in my opinion, they're worth the money and the effort. Good look, Katie Lynn, for bringing these to my attention. Here, take a closer look for yourself.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. We're on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day. Said that we're on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. Said that we're on my way, bonafide stallion. Ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, I'm spinning back.
Before I leave you, I just want to share something different that's dear to my heart. It's an email I received from YouTube after reaching 100 subscribers. I know. I'm probably being such a dork for being so excited, but I don't care because it's big to me and means so much. Reaching 100 superheroes is like making your first dollar. Sure, more may come, but the first ones are so special for having been by my side, alongside me for the ride, and to be acknowledged for that, wow, is something so special. I didn't do this for clout or fame. I truly did this because I have always had a serious love for shoes. Okay, maybe an obsession? Since I was little, I've loved shoes, and so I thought, why not share my love with others during this distressing time? Now, the show has honestly given me an excuse to buy shoes without feeling guilty, so that's why my superheroes mean so much, because you do more for me than you even know, and I had no real expectations coming into this. Only for you to like what I had to offer and share feedback with me. So again, much love, superheroes. Continue to enjoy the ride as there's so much more to come. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.